in there. There's a 45-minute wait.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Benny's is busy, too. Word is we've run out of coloring placemat. Excuse me for a sec. Who's hungry?
Breakfast.
Come on into Benny's. Breakfast money.
No.
Who cooks the eggs good? Who cooks the eggs good? Yum, yum. Bring on an omelet.
I guess we have faces, no? Doesn't do it again?
Yeah.
So is this for the grand opening?
No.
No.
I'll be here every day for at least the next 6 months.
Try 6 weeks.
What did you
What did you say,
Bacon
bacon
bits?
I'm just saying I've seen a lot of food joints try to go head-to-head with Benny's, and they've always screwed the pooch.
Whatever. Can you step aside?
Why? What are you going to do?
Dance. Good idea.